In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Monday.com groups to enhance your workflow efficiency and keep your projects organized. Let's dive right in and start by understanding what groups in Monday.com are all about. Groups are those colorful sections you see on your board, and they're designed to organize your items in an intuitive manner. They allow you to categorize tasks, projects, or data into meaningful buckets, making it easier to manage your work. For example, you might structure your groups as to do, in progress, and done to track task stages, or by quarters like Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 to focus on time-based goals. Choosing the right grouping strategy is crucial, and it should align with your workflow. Consider structuring groups by workflow stages such as to do, in progress, and done, or maybe by time frame like this week, next week, and completed. If you're working within a team, grouping by department such as marketing, sales, or operations might be the way to go. For projects, structuring by phases like planning, execution, and review can be beneficial. Prioritizing tasks could also be achieved with groups like high, medium, and low priorities. Once you've settled on a strategy, it's time to create your groups. On your Monday.com board, you can add a group by simply clicking Add Group at the bottom. Remember to give each group a clear, descriptive name based on the structure you've chosen. Color coding these groups can provide you with visual clarity. Think of using red for urgent tasks and green for completed ones. With your group set up, organizing items within them becomes the next step. You can add tasks, deals, or projects under their respective groups. It's important to keep the items consistent by not mixing unrelated work within the same group. This consistency not only helps maintain clarity, but also ensures you can easily find what you need using filters and sorting options available on the platform. Now, let's talk about automations, which can make your groups exponentially more powerful. By setting up automations, tasks can automatically move when certain conditions are met. For instance, when the status of an item changes to done, it can automatically shift to the completed group. Similarly, when a due date arrives, an item could be moved to the this week group, or new items could be directly added to a backlog group. Finally, it's important to review and optimize your groups regularly. If you find that you have too many groups, consider merging some for simplicity. Conversely, if your groups feel too broad, splitting them into more specific categories might help. Always ensure that your group structure still mirrors how your team works so that it remains an effective tool to streamline your processes. By following these steps, you can create a Monday.com environment that enhances your productivity and keeps everything neatly organized.